first of all, her first intention was really just to find Lady Featherington, but then she made fuck. Lady Whistle down. We better hear this mofo chewing in the background. So he's over here like, she gets stung. My phone is Kate, right? So she gets stung and he's like, are you okay? And I'm like,
that's the one thing I love. It.
Kate's
It's
over here like,
hilarious.
yeah. Okay, I'm like, girl.
Pulling out like a drink behind the penis.
Ooh, so here I am making fun of them. It really could be that they struggle to breathe.
I'm sure they were instructed to.
Yeah. They were like, director's like, no, give me more.
Give me more.
Give
passion.
me more. More passion. More passion. Energy, passion.
I regret saying that.